In this video, we're going to be talking about how to repair a bricked Android phone, hard versus soft brick. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So when it comes to soft brick, a soft brick phone still powers on, but behaves erratically, freezes, or stays on the boot animation screen. What you want to do is boot into recovery mode, which is usually the power plus volume down or up, and then select wipe cache partition. This fixes bugs after updates. And the second thing you want to do is factory reset. In recovery mode, select wipe data / factory reset. This also erases all the user data. In hard bricks, what you want to do is simply go ahead and take it to EDL mode, which is going to be emergency download mode. Many Qualcomm devices can use the MSM tool to flash stock images even when completely dead. And you could also try hardware repair. So if software methods fail, a professional service may be needed to use a JTAG tool to directly repair the bootloader. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.